YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I am back with another video for y'all. Alright y'all, so if you're not already subscribed to my second channel, please click the link in the description. It's gonna take you right over to my second channel. I want you to smash the subscribe button for me. Alright y'all, so this introduction is not gonna be too long. We're just gonna get right into the video. Yeah, and as y'all can see in the title, you already know what this video is gonna be about. If you're a beginner, pay close attention. Alright, if you're elite already, you could comment down in the comment section and let me know, like, your opinion on this video. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, so those are the angles that you need to be hitting as a 360 wave beginner. You feel me? If you hit these angles and stay consistent at it and keep brushing, stay dedicated, work hard, you will become elite, man. Ain't no hesitation on that, man. You will become elite. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this little quick video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe for your boy. And I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.